Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party mentagasngi kalapli ko pestray kam jongka 17 North Shillong kabadan Hajil Road badya kating jing pli patba lapli do ba Ernest Mauri ubadi State President Kamigalia Unit hakajing don ringkat jong uba Maria Hom Kharkrang ubalong uwe niki kertong uba pantikat nagate kaseng ban aireng nagate constituency. Haba ay jingkaran nagate kasngi uba Ernest Mauri ulaong baling ba kani ko office kanong kajingirap ya kaseng BJP kinong song jong kathan 17 North Shillong Mandal bat jong ka constituency hi barok away. Uba Ernest ulaong ba kaseng kan pentikana ba ka BJP kan yo ya kajingjob nagate ka constituency namar ha ka election jong usnam arajar khatra kaseng ka klemla satya banyo ya kajingjob nagate ka constituency datang katu kat ni vote. Nakaling uba M Kharkrang ulaong badaga jinge don nang jong gidukhat ba kinong tray kaseng BJP unget scam ba kasuki hakatay ka constituency kanday jong ka BJP bad ulaong badaga jinge tray sitom lang jong baro an sala man poy siya kathong. Uba Kharkrang ulaong ru ba ka Jingïasngewpher jat benri Hapdeng ki Khasi bat ki Bar-Jylla kan sa poy siya ka bakut namar habakwa ya karoy kapar Jingïatreilang banyo ya kata namar anamla satya banyo ya karoy kapar lada tray tang marway shimen.
Aswa in play in the office jongka 17 North Shillong nakaliang jonga aku mu state president jongka BJP na ay kising kukurdo ay kani office walang ba jongka ni office kamlong kajingerap ya ki nong Shillong jongka 17 North Shillong Mandal but constituency away to from the as the president of the state BJP I have come to open this office today and from this office I hope that we will start full swing and will work for the benefit of the party and the people of this 17 North constituency, Mandal as a whole. Baklang ini. अच्छा ऑफिस शिलोंग में नहीं था और ये है हुआ हम लोग का सपना दिखता है कम से कम एक ऑफिस तो होना चाहिए 17 नॉर्थ कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में मंडल में तो ये सपना आज हुआ तो ये ऑफिस से हम लोग पार्टी की तरफ से पूरा सपोर्ट देंगे क्योंकि चुनाव के लिए हम लोग को ऑफिस चाहिए तो ये ऑफिस जैसा हम लोग का खारक्रंग कहा था खाली नहीं होना चाहिए ये ऑफिस से आप लोग को हर टाइम में समय में आना है एक साथ मिलना है प्लानिंग करना है आगे कैसा करना है इलेक्शन को कैसा जीतना है आई होप फ्रॉम दिस ऑफिस वी विल मेक श्योर दैट दिस इज द विनिंग सीट लास्ट इलेक्शन 2018 we missed the bus by only a margin of vote. So we hope, with the help of our state executive member and the aspirant candidate, Ba M Kharkrang, we will walk hand in hand and we will make sure that this is the seat where we will win in this coming election with your support. So I request everybody to walk together. Though we have aspirant candidate, one more aspirant candidate, we cannot stop anybody. Yes, but all the party organization has been completed under the leadership of the Mandal President. The polling booth committee has been completed, and the Mandal committee, it is a full-fledged Mandal committee approved by the state, and the rest will remain with our central leadership.
That from this office, we will win the BJP seat from North Shillong. I can assure you that. And our state executive member also, Mr. Pawan Sharma, and all the other office bearers of North Shillong and supporters of the BJP. It is really surprising that in the last few days, 1 week, 2 weeks back, we have been seeing a lot of things coming out of the papers that so many number of people have left the BJP and joined another party and all, and everyone is claiming so people have 200, 300, whatever said and done. And in fact, in the last few days, we have seen the paper where they have indicated that some of the BJP workers who were there in 2018 and have never been active anymore in the BJP, they're still being indicated as being office bearers of the party. When you look at the positive side, it appears that all the parties are looking to the BJP. It seems like everyone is a BJP supporter and a BJP worker. So whoever joins any other party, he has to be a BJP. So which, take it in another way, take it very positively, that it appears that at least from here in North Shillong, it appears that everyone is a BJP worker. To the extent by all the parties, if they get someone to join the party because of various reasons, they say that he is a BJP worker. So, with so many workers that we have in the BJP, I'm 100% that North Shillong, 17 North Shillong will be a BJP seat. And with all the support that we get from the state president and all from the state office, I'm very sure that all your hard work will not go in vain and we will make it through. And the best part of it is that I can see here, not only from the Jail Road area, Oakland area, from the non-tribal area, the best part is that I've seen here our supporters are from the Khasi area. And this is what we have been striving at. This is what we have been striving at, to assimilate the two together. We are not, when we inaugurated the office in Netsamthia, our people from Jail Road, from Oakland, all the non-tribal areas, they came and supported us there. Similarly, now when you open your office also, they have come here to support you. And I'm telling you, this was going to be a BJP seat, and I'm telling you the differences between non-tribal and the tribals will be cut off. That is what we have to strive for. Because if we have to develop together, we cannot develop on our own. And I'm very sure that this office will remain here till after 2023. Doesn't mean that election is completed. We have won the seat and this office will be closed. This office will continue to remain for the simple reason that the elected member from North Shillong constituency, he will come here and meet the people from this side, and there are sometimes that he'll be the other side. I'll not expect the people from here to come all the way to the other side to voice your grievances, to meet your MLA. This is going to be a permanent office of the BJP. I'm assuring you that. Okay. And a lot of work has to be done. We have 3 months time to work, and there are lots of work to do. Please let us not be complacent. Let us not say that sab theek hai, idhar se 80% vote milega kya. Let's not be like that. Let us not be complacent. Let us work hard. And I'm telling you, every work and every effort that you put in, you will see the fruits of that labor, that effort. You will see the fruits in the month of February. So please continue to work hard. There'll be a lot of that kind of from the other side trying to give a lot of false hope to you and all these things. Now you have to be able to counter that. And if there's anything that that needs to be discussed on, we will always meet, and we will make it a point that we come here every evening, at least spend at least 15 minutes, half an hour with you all here, because there are a lot of other work to be done outside. So we will continue to work together, and mind you, BJP wins from here. It is your victory. It is not one person's victory. It is a victory of the people of 17 North Shillong. And we will continue to strive hard. God will give you the strength, will give us the strength, will give us the wisdom, and they will give us the effort to put in our best, and we will see the fruits of our labor in the month of February. God bless each one of you, and thank you very much.